This is the Xiaomi Pad 5. If you've considered purchasing a tablet lately, this might be the one. So in this video, we're going to be giving you 5 reasons why you should consider purchasing the Xiaomi Pad 5. But before we jump into all the major specs, let's quickly take a look at what all you get inside the box. So obviously you get the Xiaomi Pad 5 itself with all the major features up front, as usual Xiaomi devices. You also get the power brick to charge this up, as well as a USB Type-C cable, all provided with it. Now that we know exactly what we have, let's start with the first reason why this is a great device, which is the display on this. Now, hands down, I think one of my favorite things on this out of the 5 is going to be the display. It's an 11-inch WQHD plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio that offers great immersion for both gaming and movie experience with rich and bright colors. It also has support for DCI-P3 wide color gamut and over 1 billion colors that makes watching HDR content on this really enjoyable, and content just pops on here. Gaming feels smooth and responsive because this is a 120Hz refresh rate as well. So all top of the line specs for the display are present in here. Watching content looks crisp, vibrant, and with Dolby Vision, you have that perfect exposure level of HDR and balance. Combining that with the flagship speakers, this is definitely something that is worth exploring if you're looking for something more for gaming as well as entertainment. The second reason to purchase this tablet would be the speakers. The speakers on here actually truly blew me away because of how good they sound and how loud they really are. So these speakers, it's a 4-speaker setup, so you get proper surround sound top and bottom, and also they support Dolby Atmos. So that comes down to high-res audio and Dolby Atmos, which gives you the best sound experience you can really get. Now, combining that with the Dolby Vision, obviously this makes it a true home cinema. That's why they're pushing the whole Cinemagic thing here with the whole Mi 11T series as well. It's all just about that, enjoying your content and creating content with it as well. With the Dolby Atmos, the way the sound moves from left to right, you don't depend on external speakers or headphones. The bass is quite thick and heavy as well. And lastly, the loudness on this is pretty remarkable. You can really hear it from the other side of the room if you play it up. So the Mi Pad 5 may be one of the better options out there. The third thing I surprisingly did like on this was the Smart Pen. Now, again, it is a separate purchase. It doesn't come with the tablet. But honestly, if you have a tablet, I feel like having a Smart Pen is kind of a given, and you should probably purchase one if you're taking productivity very seriously on your tablet. It's got a pretty great grip on it. The pen feels good in hand. You also get replaceable TPE soft pen tips, which is really nice, and basically is there just to enhance your productivity. You don't need it necessarily. It just feels like it enhances that multitasking experience, gives you that proper tablet experience, especially when you're taking notes or using it for long hours for different creative tasks as well. You also get 2 buttons on there. The primary button, if you hold that button and then tap on the display, it swiftly opens up your notes for quick note taking, or if you want to draw something quickly. Now the secondary button, if you tap and hold it and then press the display, it opens up the screenshot capability on there, so you can take screenshots by drawing different shapes. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It also has 240 Hz of touch sampling with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, accurately sensing changes in pressure, allowing users to have a more precise and smooth pen stroke while working on a project or whatever you may be doing. The pen also magnetically attaches itself to the tablet and fully charges in just about 18 minutes. Just charging it up for 10 or 60 seconds can offer up to 20 minutes of usage, which is pretty good. The only issue that I had with the pen and the way it sticks on is that it's not very proper. The magnets are kind of iffy and it can fall off pretty easily. So that's one thing I really don't like about the magnets and the pen. So the design on this is actually very familiar. It's got a flat square-edged design. It's pretty good at immersing you in the viewing experience or even for productivity. It sits quite well on the table, and when you're holding it, it's quite comfortable in the hand as well. You've got the USB Type-C charging port at the bottom, and top bottom, you've got the speaker system for that surround sound experience. But yeah, overall, it's a great looking device, very nice and stylish, and it feels a lot more premium than it costs. So that's always a plus. Now, the last and final reason why you should buy this is the price point. This costs just about 1,500 ringgit, which is quite low for everything we just talked about. 1,500 ringgit is just about $350 US. So that's a great price for everything you're getting. You're getting a Snapdragon 860 processor to power this device with a flagship 7nm processor. You get Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision for the most immersive viewing experience, great build quality, a smart pen that works really well, 8720 milliamp hour battery that charges pretty quick with a 33 watt fast charge. This device kind of just echoes what Xiaomi is all about, giving you the best quality, performance, and bang for your buck for a lot cheaper than the competitors out there. So considering everything this device gives you, the price point is definitely going to be one of the biggest pros on this as to why you should purchase this. So whether you're looking for gaming, you're looking for productivity, for entertainment, or just a tablet that you can take with you anywhere for most use case scenarios, the Mi Pad 5 may be a great consideration. With that being said, do you guys think you'll be purchasing the Mi Pad 5? Let us know down in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more content just like this. I'll see you again in the next video.